Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? I trust you all are doing great. So today we are going to be making this delicious jollof rice together. This was so yummy and it was easy to put together. Okay, so if you are new here, thanks for clicking on this video. My name is Lisa. Welcome to my kitchen. So today we are going to be making this delicious jollof rice together. This is so yummy and very easy to put together. So guys, let's get right into the video. So into my clean pot, I went in with some vegetable oil. So I'm going to allow that to hot and I'll go in with my chopped onions. I'm going to saute this for 2 minutes, okay? So once I'm done, I'm going to be adding some curry powder and some thyme. So I'm going to stir this together. So next I'm going to add in a little bit of tomato paste. I'm not going to be using a lot of tomato paste. I'm just going to use a little. So I'm just going to let this fry for some minutes, okay? So after frying the tomato paste, so I'm going to be adding my tomato mix. In here I have tomatoes, fresh pepper, onions, and tatashe. So now I'm just going to stir this, then I'll cover it and allow it to fry for some minutes. So after some minutes, I'm going to stir. So next thing is to add in my seasoning. I went in with some seasoning powder, some salt, curry powder, and Spicity. Yeah, it's called Spicity. It makes the stew to be colorful. Okay, you can see that reddish something that was inside. So that Spicity, I added some Spicity. Then I'm going to stir. Guys, trust me, if you are making your jollof rice, just try and use that Spicity, the colorful one. They have the one for fried rice and the one for stew or jollof. Okay, you can use it for just stew or jollof rice. So once everything has come together, so I'm going to add in my nicely washed rice. So once I'm done adding the rice, I went in with the chicken broth. Then I'm going to stir together. Then after that, I tested it if there's enough salt. So I added a little bit of salt and I added some water. Okay, so I'm going to stir. Then I will cover this to cook. And if you are watched to this extent, thank you so much. I really do appreciate. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and turn on your bell icon. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. I really do appreciate. Please keep watching, liking, and sharing. So at this point, I added more water. So I'm just going to stir this gently. Then I'm going to cover this to cook. So I'm going to let this cook for some minutes. Then I will come back and stir. So at this point, I'm just going to stir. Then I'm going to cover it with the foil paper. And guys, look how yummy this rice is looking already. So I went in with some corn. Guys, this is not sweet corn, it's just normal corn that I have in my fridge. So you can as well use sweet corn, it's more preferable, it's more better. So I added the corn, then I'm going to cover it again. So at this point, guys, our jollof rice is almost ready. So I'm just going to stir, and I'm going to be adding some butter and some chopped onions. And guys, for this you can use butter and some bell pepper. You can also use butter and tomatoes. So for me, I'm going to be using butter and some chopped onions. So I'll cover that and allow the butter to melt into the rice. And guys, the next thing is to stir the rice together, and voila, our yummy and delicious jollof rice is ready. Guys, this was so yummy, so delicious. So if you are watched to this extent, thank you so much. I really do appreciate. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. And you can always save this video for later use. So guys, what will you be enjoying this with? I enjoy mine with fried chicken. I already fried that off the camera, and some fresh watermelon juice. So at this point, I'm just going to dish out the rice into a bowl. Then I will serve mine and enjoy. So thank you so much for watching. Please, like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and also share. So thank you so much, and I'm going to be seeing you all in my next one. Bye for now. Bye guys.